Hi guys, so it's me again, Jeansy Veral, and welcome to my channel. Yes, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I'm going to share to you my very affordable, nutritious, and super easy recipe for my spring roll. Since I got a friend online and he is really requesting me to make a video on spring rolls or Filipino lumpia. So I'm hoping that this video will serve as your guide in making spring rolls or lumpia. So here we go. Okay, so first step natin guys is let's preheat our frying pan, and then let us saute our pork ground meat. So ito guys, after we saute our ground pork, let's add the crushed potato and carrots. You can also dice your potato and your carrots. It's just I use it this way or I crush it this way so that it will look great on my ground pork. And then, don't forget to add your onion. So I use minced onion already because I don't want it super thick, onion thicky. And then, my garlic powder. And then my sea salt. And then I will add a little bit of ground pepper. Ground pepper. A little bit of ground pepper to have a little bit of hint of spiciness. Let's wait 5 minutes or until the ground pork will totally turn brown. I don't add any oil. It's because of the ground pork has natural fats in it, so I just want to use the natural fats of the pork. And I will sprinkle a little bit of chives. Okay, So tip guys is you don't need to fully cook the meat. It's because you're also going to deep fry your spring rolls, and then it will be, if once you deep fried it, and then if you will fully cook the meat, then it will be overcooked and it will not taste good at all. Okay, so this is ready for wrapping. Okay, so I'll be using a vegan spring roll wrapper here, an egg roll wrapper. It's a vegan, so yep, you can buy this in any grocery store such as Walmart, and then if you have a local grocery stores that has everything for kitchen or for cooking, then you can buy it there. This is an egg roll, vegan egg roll, and you can use this for dumplings also if you want to. See. Okay, so first is place your wrapper just like this, and then I'll add 2 tablespoons of the meat that we cooked earlier. And then roll it this way. That way. And this way. So I am making a tiny spring roll, or a Lumpiang Shanghai, and then I will use my finger to dip in my beaten egg as for me to seal the edge of the wrapper. Here, this one. You can use water also to close the tip of your spring roll. I just use egg because I like to use egg. Okay. Again, roll. Cover the edge. Flip the edge and then roll again. Then seal the edge of your spring roll with your water or your egg. Then this. It's really a super easy step, guys. So, yeah. And it doesn't cost a lot of money also. You can use, if you're vegetarian also, or you don't like meat at all, you can use tofu. Maybe next time I'll show it to you how to make tofu egg roll or spring roll. I tried it and it tastes good also. Okay. It's the same step over and over again. So in the Philippines, lumpia or spring roll is one of the go-to food in every occasion. It's what we called a finger food. It's the pampatulak. Pampatulak, you know, when you don't have a lot, if you have a special occasion and then you don't have a lot of food to serve, then much better serve a lot of lumpia or spring roll, because they will really looking for lumpia and every occasion. Lumpia, pansit, adobo. Yep. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. And in the Philippines also, lumpia is a good business. Yep, it is. Okay, so I'm done wrapping all of my spring rolls. Here you go. And it's ready for a deep fried. So, let's go there. Okay, so my oil is already hot and I'm using this pot just to make sure I'm not going to have a lot of splash when I dip down my spring roll. Okay guys, ito brown na siya, so that means it's ready to place in it. Take it off the hot oil. Okay guys, ito brown na siya, so that means it's ready to take it off from the hot oil and place it in a paper towel. Click. Para mag-soak talaga yung oil residue. And it's not good to eat a very oily spring roll. Okay, this is our second batch. And let's wait for several minutes again for it to turn golden brown. It's almost done. Our second batch is almost cooked. Okay. Second batch is done. third batch. I can't wait to taste this again. So this is one of my favorite Filipino food. Lumpia or spring roll. And then I am hoping my friend Jay, I don't know where he is now, but I'm hoping that you will really like this simple recipe of mine. Budget friendly also. Third batch is done. So here you go guys, my cooked spring roll or Filipino lumpia by Jeansy Veral. Cheap, budget friendly, nutritious, and fresh. There you go. Look at how pretty they are. Look so delicious. Look. And that's the inside. It's pretty beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to like and then subscribe also. And if you want to share it in your social media account or in your friends or in your family, please do. I really appreciate it. And then once again, this is me, Jeansy Veral, saying lumpia. It's one of my favorite food. Lumpia. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you.